Ever looked at a stunning garden and thought, could I create something like this? Today we're going to provide the answer, yes you can. Welcome to our tutorial on how to design the perfect garden, tips and tricks, where we empower you with the knowledge to turn your dreams into reality. One, decoding your garden's secrets. Every garden space whispers its own secrets. The trick is learning how to listen. Start by observing your garden, its dimensions, its contours, its sun and shade patterns. Is your soil sandy, silty, or clayey? All these features play a crucial role in determining what will flourish in your garden. By tailoring your design to the garden's unique characteristics, you ensure a natural, cohesive, and sustainable environment. 2. Painting a picture with your garden. Now that you've grasped your garden's language, it's time to turn your dream into a sketch. Picture your ideal garden and translate it onto paper. Do you imagine a wooden deck for summer barbecues, meandering pathways for thoughtful strolls, or a tranquil pond reflecting the sky? Remember, your garden should be a reflection of your personality and lifestyle. More than just a selection of plants, it should offer a harmonious blend of elements that promise both aesthetic delight and functional comfort. 3. The art of choosing the right plants. Now we arrive at the heart of any garden, the plants. This stage is more than just picking out the prettiest blooms. It requires a strategic approach. The plants you select must be suitable for your garden's sun exposure, soil type, and local climate. You want to create a tapestry of visual interest throughout the year, so consider a mix of evergreens for constant color, annuals for seasonal vibrancy, perennials for enduring performance, and deciduous plants for their autumnal fireworks display. 4. Breathing life into your design. Armed with your detailed plan and carefully chosen selection of plants, it's time to get your hands dirty and turn your vision into reality. Begin planting according to your designed layout, respecting the space each plant requires to grow and thrive. Don't shy away from planting densely. A full garden not only provides a sense of lushness and abundance, but it also helps to suppress weeds. Remember, though, that a garden is a dynamic space. Feel free to revisit and revise your plan as your garden grows and evolves. 5. The continuous journey of garden maintenance. Garden design is not a one-time task, but an ongoing commitment. Your garden will need regular attention and care to remain healthy and vibrant. Establish a routine of watering, pruning, weeding, and fertilizing. Water your plants either early in the morning or late in the evening to minimize evaporation. Prune to maintain shape and encourage growth. Weed to prevent unwanted invaders, and fertilize to nourish your plants. Additionally, stay vigilant against pests and diseases, treating them promptly to avoid further damage. As our journey through garden design draws to a close, we are eager to hear from you. How are your garden plans shaping up after today's discussion? What new idea or technique are you excited to apply in your own garden? Don't forget to share your thoughts and ideas in the comments section. As we wrap up our extensive guide on how to design the perfect garden tips and tricks, we hope you feel equipped with the knowledge and inspiration to transform your garden into a sanctuary of natural beauty. If you found our video helpful, please like and share it with other garden enthusiasts. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a like and subscribe to our channel for more. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!